here?
I got a bass.
He's got a bass. Oh my gosh, this is a good one.
There's another bass next to it. Look. Look at that one.
Oh my gosh. Look how big that thing is.
I'm gonna have to pull it to the shore over here. Come on, swim with me, baby. I'm gonna flip it on the shore right there. That's a good one.
God.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
That's a couple pounder. Right in the top of the lip. Pop it off.
What?
It's a good looking bass right there.
That is a great looking fish, dude.
Good looking bass. Came out from under the dock. Smacked it. Beautiful looking fish. First one of the day. Do your thing, buddy.